विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। नन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै। नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। ॐ नमः परमहंसास्वादितचरणकमलचिन्मकरन्दाय भक्तजनमानसनिवासाय श्रीरामचन्द्राय ॐ। So we have finished 56th Sarga in the last session, and we have to start with 57th Sarga. So the story is Vishwamitra went to Vasishta's hermitage. He was given Atithyam, and then he sees that Shabala, that Dhenu, that feeds that mighty army of Vishwamitra and that whole retinue. And Vishwamitra thinks that this Shabala is something that I should have. So this is Goratnam, so Ratnam, whatever is Sreshtham in the kingdom, should be with the king. That was the idea. And then so we will see this story even in Shamantakopakhyanam in Bhagavatam. So that Shamantaka Mani Satrajit has. So Krishna asks, I am the king of this Dwaraka place. It's better that I have that Shamantaka Mani, etc. Anyway, so Vasishta is not ready to part away with that Dhenu. He says, in fact, to that Dhenu, you are like my sister. I have been looking upon you as my sister. I will not be parting with you. And then, then the war happened, and then Vishwamitra loses his children, his army, everything. One son remains. He enthrones him, or rather, he entrusts the kingdom to him, and he proceeds to do tapas. So that tapas goes on for some chapters. So in between, some other things happen. All those things is the subject matter of the next few chapters. The next 4-5 chapters is going to be Vishwamitra's tapas, and then some other things happening in between. अथ सप्तपञ्चाशः सर्गः ततः सन्तप्तहृदयः स्मरन् निग्रहमात्मनः विनिश्वस्य कृतवैरो महात्मना सदक्षिणां दिशं गत्वा महिष्या सह राघव तताप परमं घोरं विश्वामित्रो महातपाः. हे Raghava, tataha means thereafter, santapta hridayah. So this Vishwamitraha, who's santapta hridaya, his heart is now scorched by all the defeat, etc. He was thinking about it. So Atmanaha Nigraham Smaran. So Smaran means he was recounting. What was he recounting? Atmanaha means Swasya. So Nigraham means his Parajayam. So in hands of Vasishtha. So his defeat in the hands of Vasishtha, he was thinking again and again. And then he was Santapta Hridaya. His heart was, his mind was agitated because of the defeat. Then Nishwasya, he was breathing heavily. And this Vishwamitra, he's giving an adjective. Mahatmana Krita Vairaha. So this Vishwamitra is somebody who has had enmity with a Mahatma, that is Vasishtha. Mahatmana Krita Vairaha Vishwamitraha. So Dakshinan, Mahishya Saha, so Mahishi, his Pattamahishi, his queen. So Mahishya Saha, along with his queen, Dakshinam Disham Gatva, having gone to the southern direction. That is southern to wherever Vasishtha's ashrama is. From that ashrama, southern direction he went, and then Paramam Ghoram Tatapa. So that Mahatapa Vishwamitra, that Mahatapasvi Vishwamitra. See, Mahatapa is an adjective to Vishwamitra from Rama and Shatananda's time period. But then because Vishwamitra is in front, he has to give him the due respect. So Mahatapa Vishwamitraha Paramam Ghoram. So Tapaha Tatapa. He performed that great Paramam Tapaha and Ghoram Tapaha. Ghoram Tapaha, one of the Tikakaras is telling. Ghoram means so Shatru Bhayankaram. That kind of tapas he was performing. This Krita Vairaha is an important adjective here. So he's still having that sense of enmity against Vasishtha. That is his reason for the tapas. And that's why we see that his tapas will fail and other things will be happening. He will give in to his ragadveshas and things like that. So all that we will see even in today's chapter itself, in the next chapter that will begin. So Trishanku story, etc. All that will be there. So this Krita Vairaha is important. This Krita Vairaha, this adjective to Vishwamitra, is the reason for the failure of his tapas further. फलमूलाशनो दान्तश्चचार परमं तपः अथास्य जग्निरे पुत्राः सत्यधर्मपरायणाः हविष्पन्दो मधुष्पन्दो दृढनेत्रो महारथः. So how did he perform his tapas? Phalamulashanaha. He was just eating fruits and roots. So phalam is fruits and roots. Mula is roots. So in Telugu we say kandamulamulu. So flower, fruits and roots. Phalamulashanaha. So he was just eating fruits and roots. And then dantaha. So dantaha paramam tapaha chachara. So he became danta. Danta is so bahyendriya, so bahya and antarindriya nigraha was there. So that is tapas, So indriyas go on their own path, but you have to put an end, or put a what should I say now? You should not let them go in their own path. That is called danta. So why you should not let them go in the path that they wish? So you should that is the real, what should I say, nigraha. So you should not give in to your mind's fancies and things like that. So we have seen this earlier, and it's well known. So if we get some time, we will discuss about it later. So paramam tapaha chachara. So he was performing great tapas in this way by just consuming fruits and roots, and then having great indriya nigraha. So here dantaha. So Tikakaras are telling both antarindriya and bahirindriya nigraha. So that both nigraha he had, and paramam tapaha chachara, and and then atha, thereafter what happened? Asya putraha jagnire. So he gave birth to some children, and then what kind of children? Satya dharma parayanaha. So they were ever engaged in truth and dharma, such kind of children, and their names are being given: Havishpandaha, Madhushpandaha, Dridhanetraha, Maharathaha. So these are the names of those children. So you can say these are some kinds of, if you take all the story as some kind of a symbolic meaning, then all these are off products of the things that immediately when you sit for tapas, some things come out. So some things come out mentally. So these are some of those things, you can say. Anyway, Purne Varsha Sahasre tu Brahma Lokapita Mahaha Abraveen Madhuram Vakyam Vishwamitram Tapodhanam. So 1,000 years were completed. Varsha Sahasre Purne tu, when 1,000 years completed, Brahma Lokapitamaha, that Lokapitamaha Brahma, so he appeared in front of him, and having appeared, Abraveen Madhuram Vakyam, so very sweet words he uttered, that Brahmaji. To whom did he utter? Vishwamitram Tapodhanam. So to Vishwamitra, who's this Tapodhana? Tapodhana is he has performed great tapas, so lot of tapas he has performed. To that kind of Vishwamitra, Brahma spoke. What did he say? Jita Rajarshi Lokaste Tapasa Kushikatmaja Anena Tapasa Tvam Hi Rajarshiriti Vidmahe. So he Kushikatmaja, he son of Kushika. So Rajarshi Lokaha te Tapasa Jita. So all the Rajarshi Lokas, whatever Lokas are there, which Rajarshis will attain, those lokas you have tapasa jita. Those lokas have been conquered by you, by your tapasya. Conquered means you have obtained those lokas by your tapasya. Therefore, he Kushikatmaja anena tapasa, because of this tapas, tvam hi rajarshiriti vidmahe. So you will be known. So people will know you as a rajarshi. That is, people will call you as a rajarshi because of this great tapasya that you have performed. Eva muktva mahateja jagama sahadaivataihi Trivishtapam Brahmalokam Lokanam Parameshwaraha. So Eva Muktva, having said those words to the Vishwamitra, Teja Brahmaji Jagama Saha Devata, he went away along with Devatas. He went away. Where did he go? Trivishtapam. First he went to Trivishtapam, means Swargalokam, and then Brahmalokam. Then he went to Brahmaloka, and then who went away? Lokanam Parameshwaraha. So Saha Devataihi Lokanam Parameshwaraha Jagama. So that Lokanam Parameshwaraha Brahmaji, along with the Devatas, he went. Where did he go? First he went to Swargaloka, then he went to Brahmaloka. So one of the Tikakaras are pointing out, why should he first go to Swargaloka and then go to Brahmaloka? Some others are saying, so Devatas went to Swargaloka, Brahmaji went to Brahmaloka. But then the idea is, it seems Indra was very disturbed by this Vishwamitra's tapasya. So he went running to Brahmaji, and then he said, you should do something for this tapasya, otherwise he will rob me of my chair. So along with Indra, he went to Vishwamitra, and then he gave that varam to Vishwamitra, and then he went again to Swarga along with Indra, and assuaged his feelings, said, don't worry, he will now not continue, and something like that he must have said, and then he installed Indra on his chair, and then he went back to Brahmaloka. Vishwamitropi tachhrutva hriya kinchidavang mukha dukkhena mahata vishtaha samanyuridamabravit. So Vishwamitra also tachrutva, having heard those words of Brahmaji. What are those words? He said, you have now become a Rajarshi. Hriya kinchid avang mukha. So avang mukha means his mukha. So he bent down his face a little. So why did he bend down his face? Kinchid avang mukha. A little he bent his head down. Why? Because hriya. So he was ashamed a little. So why was he ashamed? Because he wanted to become Brahmarshi, but Brahmaji came and said, you have become Rajarshi. Therefore he was a little ashamed of. So his tapas was not complete. That's the idea. So it was an incomplete tapas. So dukkhena mahatavishtaha, who he was overpowered by dukkha, and samanyuhu idam abravit. Samanyuhu, manyu means krodha generally, but manyu here means dainyam. So tikakaras are pointing out from Amarakosha. So manyuhu here is dainyam, that is that state of helplessness, that he wanted something else, but something else has happened. That stage. So samanyuhu means with the in that state of helplessness, idam abravit. He spoke the following words to himself. So tapascha sumahattaptam rajarshiritimam viduhu deva sarshigana sarve nasti manye tapah phalam. So mam sumahat tapaha taptam rajarshiriti viduhu. So me, who has performed this great tapas, rajarshihi iti viduhu, people. So who are those who ke viduhu? Devaha sarshiganaha. So these devatas along with all the rishiganas, they are knowing me as Rajarshi. So that is, so I wanted to become Brahmarshi, but they are now calling me only Rajarshi. So sarve devaha sarshiganaha mam Rajarshihi iti viduhu nasti manye tapah phalam. So just by this much, I don't consider that my tapas has fructified. So tapaha phalam. So tapah phalam means that the result of the end result or the goal of my tapas, nasti. So it has not. So nasti means nabhav. So it has not occurred. I consider that my tapas is not yet complete. Iti manye. I think that my tapas is not yet complete. That is, I have to perform further tapas. He decided like that. Evan nishtitya manasa bhuya eva maha tapaha tapaschachara dharmatma kakustha paramatmavan. So evam nishtitya, having decided that he has to perform further tapas, bhuya eva mahatapaha tapaschachara, that mahatapa Vishwamitra, bhuya eva tapaschachara, once again he started or continued performing his tapas. So who? Dharmatma, he kakustha, he Rama, that Dharmatma Vishwamitra, bhuyaha tapaschachara, and then paramatmavan. Paramatmavan here means so all three tikakaras are giving different meanings. So paramatmavan means paramatma dhyanavan, paramadhirascha. This is tilakakara. So paramatmavan means his atma or his mind is contemplating on Brahman. You can take like that, or he was paramadhiraha. So even after performing so much tapas, Brahmaji appeared. Still he is not giving up. So he wants to become Brahmarshi. So he wants to continue the tapas, etc. Or paramayatnavan, one of the, I think Govindaraja or somebody. So paramayatnavan, that is, he was putting great efforts. Now he is still ready to put even more great efforts. That Vishwamitra bhuya eva tapaschachara. एतस्मिन्नेव काले तु सत्यवादी जितेन्द्रियः त्रिशंकुरिति विख्यात इक्ष्वाकु कुलवर्धनः. So एतस्मिन्नेव काले तु, at the around the same time. So एतस्मिन्नेव काले सत्यवादी जितेन्द्रियः त्रिशंकुः इति विख्यातः. So there was one king who was Ikshvaku Kulavardhanah. So he was the continuer of the Ikshvaku lineage. That is, he was a king in that Ikshvaku lineage. His name was Trishanku. He was a Satyavadi and he is Jitendriya. He himself is going to say, I am a Satyavadi later in this chapter or next chapter. Satyavadi always speaks the truth. And then Jitendriya, he is also somebody who has put control over his Indriyas. So he is famous by the name Trishankuhu, Trishankuriti Vikhyataha, Ikshvaku Kulavardhanaha. So he was there, that king was there. And then what? Tasya buddhis samutpanna yajeyamiti raghava gacheyam swasharirena devatanam parangatim. He Raghava, he Rama, tasya yajeyam iti buddhihi samutpanna. So he got an idea of performing some yaga. So for what did he want to perform yaga? So swasharirena devatanam param gatim gacheyam. So he thought, with this my own sharira, with swasharirena, with this sharira itself, devatanam param gatim. Here gati means loka, that great loka of devatas, just swarga loka, by this body itself, by this mortal body itself, I want to obtain. Therefore, I want to perform a yaga. There is a yaga like that. So swasharirena, there is shloka like shruti vakya like that. Sasharira eva swargam lokameti. So there is a yaga for which the phalam is swashariraha eva swargam lokameti. With this body itself, you will go to swarga loka. So he wanted to perform that tapasya, that yaga. He got that idea that I will perform that yaga with which I can go to swarga with this body itself. वशिष्ठं समाहूय कथयामास चिन्तितम् अशक्यमिति चाप्युक्तो वशिष्ठेन महात्मनः. So Vasishtham समाहूय. So he called for Vasishtha and then kathayamasa chintitam. He said he he revealed to Vasishtha what was his intention, that is what is in his mind, that is he wanted to perform the yaga which will take him to Swargaloka with this Sharira itself. So Kathayamasa. So Chintitam means Chintitartham, that the thoughts or the idea that he had in his mind, he revealed to Vasishtha. And then what did Vasishtha say? Ashakyam. He said, no, it's not possible. So why did Vasishtha say Ashakyam? Govindaraja is telling Ashakyatvancha Narisher Asamarthyat Napi Tadrsha Karma Vidhana Bhavat. So why? So he said Ashakyam not because that Vasishtha did not have the capacity to conduct such a yaga, nor even because there was no such yaga. There was a yaga. In that context only he quotes that Shruti. Sasharira eva swargan lokameti. But then it was not in Trishanku's prapti. Trishanku. So kintu Trishankoho tadrisha swarga praptihi nasti. Purvakalpaka vritta tadjnana aditi mantavyam. So Vasishtha knew that there was a Trishanku in the Purvakalpa. That Trishanku also did not go to Swarga by his own body. So this Trishanku also will not go to Swarga by with his own body. That Vasishtha had that jnanam of what happened in the Purvakalpa, Purva Srishti. Therefore he said, hey Trishanku, it's not possible. Ashakyamiti chapi uktaha. So Vasishthena Mahatmana uktaha. The Trishanku was told by Vasishtha, Mahamuni Vasishtha, that it is not possible. Pratyakyato Vasisthena nayayau dakshinam disham. The sayayau dakshinam disham. Tatas tatkarma siddhyartham putrans tasya gaton nrupaha pratyakhyataha. Vasisthena pratyakhyataha. Akhyana means to tell. Pratyakhyataha means to counter. That is, this he expressed a desire, Trishanku expressed a desire, and immediately Vasishtha cut it short or countered his desire. So that is Pratyakhyata. Pratyakhyanam. So Vasisthena Pratyakhyataha nrupaha, that king who was thus countered by Vasishtha. So Saha nrupaha dakshinam disham yayau. He went to the southern direction from wherever this Vasishtha was. Tatas tat karma siddhyartham. So why did he go? Tataha dakshinam disham yayau. So from there he went to the southern direction. Why? Tat karma siddhyartham, for performing that karma which he wanted to perform. And then where did he go? Putrans tasya gaton nrupaha. So that nrupaha tasya Vasishthasya putran gataha. So praptaha. He went to that place where Vasishtha's 100 children Vasishtha had. So he went to that place where Vasishtha's children they were also performing some tapas. They were in their ashrama, etc. So he went to that place where these Vasishtha's children were there. Vasishtha dirghatapasas tapo yatra hite pire. So where did he go? He went to that place in the southern direction where Vasishtha dirghatapasaha tapo yatra hite pire. So these Vasishtha dirghatapasaha. These Vasishthas means Vasishtha's children, Vasishtha. So where they are dirgha tapasvis, they are performing tapasya for a long time. So where they were performing tapas, yatra tapo tepire, where they were performing tapas, this Trishanku went to that place. Trishankustu Mahateja Shatam Paramabhaswaram Vasishtha Putran Dadrishe Tapyamanan Manasvinaha. So Trishankuhu Mahateja, so Shatam Paramabhaswaram Vasishtha Putran Dadrishe. He went to that place, and this Mahateja Trishanku, he saw those Paramabhaswaram Vasishtha Putran. So Vasishtha's children were shining by that tapas shakti. Paramabhaswaram Vasishtha Putran, Shatam Vasishtha Putran. So 100 children of Vasishtha. So Paramabhaswaram is being used in singular, I suppose. That is because Shatam is in singular. So Shatam Vasishtha Putran. So Vasishtha Putran Shatam Paramabhaswaram Dadrishe. He saw those Vasishtha Putras, and then they were Tapyamanan Manasvinaha. They were themselves performing tapasya. Then they were Manasvinaha. Manasvinaha is again, they were also great Nigrahavan Purushas, etc. Sobhigamya Mahatmanaha Sarvaneva Guru Sutan Abhivadyanupurvena Kriya Kinchidavangmukhaha Saha Abhigamya Mahatmanaha. So Mahatmanaha means here actually Mahatmanaha. That is because Arshatvat or whatever, that Mahatmanaha is being used. So he went to those Mahatmas. Saha Mahatmanaha Abhigamya, having gone there, Sarvaneva Guru Sutan Abhivadya. So Anupurvena Abhivadya. He did Namaskara to all his Guru's children. And then how did he perform Namaskara? Anupurvena. Anupurvena means whoever was Jeshta, he did Namaskaram to them first. And whoever was younger, he did Namaskaram to them next. So that is Anupurvi. It is called, the order. Krama is called Anupurvi. So Anupurvena Guru Sutan Sarvan Abhivadya Kriya Kinchid Amangmukhaha. So again, he was having that kind of. So this Kriya Kinchid Amangmukha we saw in case of Vishwamitra earlier. Now this is what Trishanku. he was also putting his head down a little abashed or whatever, so bashed or whatever. So with that little lajja he had, that I had this desire, but my guru did not help me in kind of fulfilling that desire. Therefore, he was also a little shamed and he put his face down. And then he's going to ask his children to rebel against their father, you know. Therefore, he's again a little ashamed. Abravitsa Mahatmanaha Sarvanem Kritanjalihi. So Abravits, again here Mahatmanaha means Mahatmanaha Abravit. He spoke to those Mahatmas, all of them. Sarvaneva Mahatmanaha Abravit Saha Raja Trishankuhu. Sarvaneva Mahatmanaha Abravit. He spoke the following words to all those Mahatmas. How did he speak? Kritanjalihi. He was doing Namaskaram and spoke the following words. With great Vinayam he is speaking. शरणं वः प्रपन्नोऽहं शरण्यान् शरणङ्गतः प्रत्याख्यातो हि भद्रं वो वसिष्ठेन महात्मनः. सो शरणं वः प्रपन्नः. So I take refuge in you. वः शरणं aham. So I take refuge in you. Sharanyan sharanangatah. Sharanyan means, so this is nicely being explained here. So Sharanam Gataha. So I am reading from Shiromani actually. वो युष्माकं शरणं रक्षकत्वं गतः ज्ञातवानहं. So sharanam gataha means, so gata here, gati he is taking in jnana. So sarve gatyartah dhatavah jnanartah, you know this. So all gati dhatus have jnanam also as meaning. So sharanam gataha means I have known the rakshakatvam in you. That is, I know that you people are capable of protecting me or helping me here. So gataha rakshakatvam gataha jnatavanaham. Sharanam raksha yatha syat तथा शरण्यान शरणहितान वो युष्मान प्रपद्ये. That is here prapannaha is tilakakaras patha. Sharanam vaha prapadyeham. That is Shiromani and Bhushanakara's patha. So that is so you are Sharanyan. You are Sharanya means Sharanyaha means Sharanyan means you people are capable of giving that to people or doing that hita to people who take sharanam in you. So people take refuge in you and you are capable of doing hitam or their welfare. You are capable of doing. Therefore, you are sharanya. So sharanyan sharanangataha, and then I have known that you. So I know that you are capable of helping me. That's the idea. And therefore, sharanam vaha prapannaha. Therefore, I have taken refuge in you. So this first, the sharanangataha there, that sharanam means I have known that you have that capability. And then here this sharanam vaha prapannaha, there sharanam is, you know, that kind of verb where I am actually taking refuge in you. I am taking refuge in you because I know that you can help me in this task. That's the idea. Why are you taking refuge in us? Why don't you go to our guru itself? Your guru itself, pratyakhyataha hi, because I have been refuted by or contradicted by. So pratyakhyata is, you know, just a second. So pratyakhyataha is, so I have been, you know, Vasishtha disregarded by Vasishtha, or rather discouraged by Vasishtha. Pratyakhyataha hi bhadram vaha, may good happen to you. So Vasishtena mahatmanaha. So aham pratyakhyataha, I have been discouraged by Vasishtha. Therefore, you are my only refuge now. Now Guru has abandoned me. So Guru abandoned means discouraged me. So Guru Putras are my refuge now. So therefore he takes refuge in him. Yashtu kamo mahayajnam tadanugnyatumarhatha. So so Yashtu kamaha, I am Yashtu kamaha. That is, I want to perform this mahayajnam Yashtu kamaha. I want to perform this great yajna. So tadanugnytum arhatha. Therefore you have to give me permission to perform that yaga. And then you have to, you know, what should I say, supervise and help me perform the yaga also. Guru Putran aham sarvan namaskritya prasadaye shirasa pranato yache brahmanan tapasi sthitan. So Guru Putran aham sarvan namaskritya prasadaye. So aham sarvan Guru Putran namaskritya prasadaye. I implore you, or rather I beseech your help. So prasadaye. Guru Putran aham sarvan namaskritya prasadaye. So that is, I am seeking your help. How am I seeking? By doing so, he is doing namaskara to all of them. Guru Putras, he is doing namaskara. Then how is he doing namaskara? Shirasa pranataha yache. I am beseeching your help. Prasadaye yache. That is, I am seeking your help here, your cooperation here. Shirasa pranataha. So he is doing Shirasa. So Ashtanga Namaskaram he is doing to them, and then he is seeking their help. So to whom? Brahmanan tapasi sthitan. So all of them, Vasishtha's 100 children, Brahmanas, great tapasvis, tapasi sthitaha. So to them, to you, I am doing namaskara and then seeking your help. Tema सिद्ध्यर्थं याजयन्तु समाहिताः सशरीरो यथा हम वै देवलोकमवाप्नुयाम्. So ते मा भवन्तः सिद्ध्यर्थं याजयन्तु. So you, ते भवन्तः, ते भवन्तः means those you means those people who is capable of helping those who take refuge in them. Such kind of bhavantah, you people. Ma siddhyartham. So mam siddhyartham, that's the meaning. Mam siddhyartham yajayantu. Mam siddhyartham yajayantu. So yajayantu means cause to do the yaga. So yajanam and yajanam, yajanam is to help me do. So help doing that yaga. So mam yajayantu. Mam siddhyartham yajayantu. You help me perform the yaga. That is, you officiate my yaga. And then how you so siddhyartham yajayantu. So help me so that I can achieve my purpose. Siddhyartham yajayantu samahitaha. Samahita is all of you, all 100 of you decide together. So come to that nishchaya that you should help me and then help me. And then what is the siddhi that I am wanting? Sashariro yathaham vai devalokam avapnuyam. So help me perform the yaga in such a way that I get the result. And what is that result? Sashariraha aham. So how? So in the manner. So in that manner through which I can go to the devaloka along with my body itself. So in that way I should get siddhi, and that towards that you help me perform this yaga. Pratyakhyato vasishthena gatimanyam tapodhanah guruputran rute sarvan naham pashyamkanchana. So you might ask me, why am I coming to you? So Vasishtha is my Purohita, why don't you go to him? You might ask. But Vasishtena pratyakhyatah, aham Vasishtena pratyakhyatah, I have been discouraged by Vasishtha. So gatimanyam guruputran rute so napashyami. I don't see any other gati, I don't see any other marga to fulfill my desire to perform the yaga apart from you people who are Guruputraha. So Guruputran rute. So other than Guruputras, anyam gatim naham pashyami. So sarvan Guruputran rute, apart from all you Guruputras, anyam gatim aham napashyami, kanchana napashyami. I see no other way apart from you people, all of you people. There is no other way for you. Tapodhanaha, all tapodhanas. Apart from you, I see no other way through which I can yaga and get my result. Ikshvakunam hi sarvesham purodha paramagatihi. Tasmad anantaram sarve bhavanto daivatam mama. So Ikshvakunam hi sarvesham purodha paramagatihi is a very important. Purodhaha means purohitaha, that is Shisha. So purodhaha sarvesham ikshvakunam purodhahi paramagatihi. Purodhas alone are the paramagati. Purohitas alone are the ultimate refuge for all people in the Ikshvaku lineage. Tasmad anantaram sarve bhavanto daivatam mama. So that purodhaha is that Vasishtha. So apart after that Vasishtha, tasmad anantaram means Vasishtha anantaram. So after Vasishtha, all of you sarve bhavantaha daivatam mama. So after, so Vasishtha is my actual ultimate refuge. After him, you people are my refuge. You are daivatas to me. So therefore, I am taking refuge in you. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adi Kavye Balakande Saptapanchasha Sargaha. So Tilakakara is pointing out Shloka 22 is Prakshipta according to Katakakara. Okay, anyway. So Atha Ashtapanchasha Sargaha Tatas Trishanko Vachanam Shrutva Krodhasamvitam Rishiputra Shatam Rama Rajanam Idam Abravit. So Trishanko Vachanam Shrutva, having heard Trishanko's words, Krodhasamanvitam Rishiputra Shatam Rajanam Idam Abravit. So Hey Rama, so Rishiputra Shatam Krodha Samanvitam Idam Vachanam Abravit. So Idam Abravit, those 100 children of that Rishi Vasishtha along, so they were filled with anger. Krodha Samanvitam Idam Abravit. They spoke the following words, but with Krodha. They were greatly angered by those words of Trishanku, and then Krodha Samanvitam Idam Abravit, to whom Rajanam Idam Abravit, to that Raja Trishanku, these 100 children of Vasishtha spoke the following words with great anger. What did they say? Pratyakhyatosi durmedho guruna satyavadina tam katham samatikramya shakhantaram upeivan. So Pratyakhyatosi, you have been discouraged by Vasishtha. He Durmedha Trishanku, Guruna Satyavadina Pratyakhyatahasi, by that great Guru who is a Satyavadi. If Vasishtha had said something, then there is no there is no there is no other way that it cannot happen. So that is that Satyavadi Vasishtha Guruna Satyavadina Pratyakhyatva. You have been discouraged by that Guru Vasishtha, he Durmedha. So tam katham samatikramya shakhantaram upeivan, katham tam samatikramya. So how come you have transgressed him and then taking refuge in somewhere else? Shakhantaram upeivan. Shakhantaram is some other shakha, upeivan you are taking refuge in. That is, so you are holding, you should hold on to that branch called Vasishtha. You are giving up that branch and trying to hold to some other branch. That is, you are coming and asking some others for help. How is that possible? So katham samatikramya shakhantaram upeivan. Tam means Vasishtam. Vasishtam samatikramya katham shakhantaram. How come you come do this? That is, how dare you do something like that? In that sense, they are saying. Ikshvakunam hi sarvesham purodha paramagatihi nachati kramitum shakyam vachanam satyavadinaha. So again, this we have seen. Ikshvakunam hi sarvesham, to all Ikshvakus, purodha paramagatihi. Those purohitas are the ultimate refuge. Nachati kramitum shakyam vachanam satyavadinaha. So are you able to hear now?
Yes.
Okay. There was a phone call in between. Anyway, so yeah, where were we? So third shloka. So Satyavadinaha vachanam atikramitum nashakyam. It is not possible to transgress the words of Vasishtha, who is a Satyavadi. Ashakyamiti sa समाहर्तुं कर्तुं शक्ताः कथंचन. So ashakyamiti savocha means sovacha, that is saha uvacha, that has become savocha here. So that Vasishtha ashakyam iti uvacha, saha Vasishtha ashakyam iti uvacha, Bhagavan Rishihi Vasishtha ashakyam iti uvacha tam vayam vai samahartum kratum shaktah kathanchana. So tam samahartum kratum katham shaktaha, that is kathanchana shaktaha, that is tam vayam means we, tam Vasishtham samahartum. So that is having, how can we transgress Vasishtha's words, and then so how do we have the power to transgress Vasishtha's words and perform the action? Vayam kratum samahartum kathanchana shaktaha. Kathanchana shaktaha means how can we be possible to, how can we be capable of doing that? That is, in no way are we capable to transgress Vasishtha's words and do this yaga. That's the idea. बालिशस्त्वं नरश्रेष्ठ गम्यतां स्वपुरं पुनः याजने भगवान शक्तस्त्रैलोक्यस्यापि पार्थिव. So बालिशः, हे नरश्रेष्ठ, हे king, हे पार्थिव, हे king. बालिशः, त्वं बालिशः. बालिशः means, so you are an aviveki, ajñah ityartha. So somebody who does not, who cannot do viveka properly is called balishah. So balishah, tvam balishah, he narashrestha, swapuram punaha gamyatam. Go back to your city. Why are you wasting your time? Go back to Ayodhya. Yajane Bhagavan Shaktaha Trailokasyapi Parthiva. He Parthiva, he king. Trailokasyapi Yajane Bhagavan Vasishtha Shaktaha. Vasishtha is capable of performing tapas that can give you even Trilokyam. That is, forget Svargaloka. If Vasishtha enters into your yaga and helps you with your yaga, you can get even all the Trilokya. What to speak about this Svargaloka? But then he has decided not to perform it. Therefore, you should also not engage in it. Better go back to your place. Avamanam katham kartum tasya shakshyamahe vayam. So katham tasya avamanam kartum shakshyamahe. How can we disgrace that avamanam, so how can we disgrace Vasishtha's words? So katham shakshyamahe, how vayam, so vayam means we, katham shakshyamahe, how are we capable, how are we supposed तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा क्रोधपर्याकुलाक्षरं स राजा पुनरेवैतान् इदं वचनमब्रवीत्. तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा, having heard those words of those, having heard the word of those Shishas children, क्रोधपर्याकुलाक्षरं. So however those words were filled with krodha. So क्रोधपर्याकुलाक्षरं वचनं तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा स राजा त्रिशङ्कुः punaraiva etan idam vachanam abravit. So once again he spoke back in reply to Vasishtha. He spoke back. What did he say? Pratyakhyato bhagavata guruputrais tathaiva hi anyang gatim gamishyami swasti vostu tapodhanah. Pratyakhyatah bhagavata. So by Bhagavan Vasishtha have been pratyakhyatah discouraged. Guruputrais tathaiva hi. Even by Guruputras have been discouraged. Therefore, swasti vostu, may good happen. Vaha swasti astu, may good happen to you. Anyam gatim gamishyami. I will go and search for some other person who will help me perform this yaga. So tapodhana hai, tapodhanaha. Swasti vostu, may good happen to you. You have not helped me, your father has not helped me. No problem. Swasti vostu, may good happen to you. I will go and seek some other help. ऋषिपुत्रास्तु तच्छ्रुत्वा वाक्यं घोराभिसंहितं शेपुः परमसंक्रुद्धाश्चण्डालत्वं गमिष्यसि. So Rishiputrastu, those Rishiputraha, so Tachritva Vakyam, so Trishankoho Vachanam Shritva, having heard those words of Trishanku, so Gorabhi Samhitam Shepuhu, so Paramakrudhaha, Gorabhi Samhitam Shepuhu. So those Paramakrudhaha, extremely angry Vasishta's children, so Gorabhi Samhitam means Abhisamhitam means endowed with. So Ghorabhisamhitam means endowed with something that is really ghora, very harsh. To even listen to it is ghoram. Such kind of a thing they have. So cursed. So shepe means they have cursed. Shepuhu means so they have cursed. So they have cursed something with something that is even very difficult to hear. So very harsh to even hear. What did they say? So Paramakrudhaha, they are very angry, and with out of that anger they have cursed. What they say? Chandalatvam gamishyasi. So you will you will become a Chandala. So Chandalatvam Gamishyasi, you will obtain Chandalatvam. That is the curse that they gave. Ityuktva te Mahatmano Vibhushuswam Swamashramam. So Ityuktva te Mahatmanaha, all those Mahatmas having said thus, Swamashramam Vibhishu. Swamashramam Vibhishu is they entered back into their own ashramas. 100 people, they were living in 100 ashramas. That is 100 huts, then they went back to the inside those huts, because Tikakaras are pointing out to even look at this Papatma is very bad for us. Why should we even look at him anymore? Let us go back into our ashrama. They thought like that and went back into their huts. Atha ratriam vyatitayam raja chandalatangataha neelavastradharo neela parusho dhastamurdhajaha chityamalyangaragascha ayasabharano bhavat. Atha ratriam vyatitayam. So when that night was over, so some evening or something, he must have gone to those people, they cursed him, then the night turned into day. So ratriam vyatitayam, when that ratri was spent, that is when the ratri was over, atha thereafter Raja Chandalatangataha, that Raja obtained that Chandalatvam, and then the Chandalatvam is being described. Neela Vastradharaha, he was wearing black clothes, and then Neelaha, he became dark in color. Parushaha is his appearance became very what should I say, crude actually. So brutal. He became like a brute. Parushaha Dhvastamurthajaha. So he had long hair perhaps, and that long hair became so cut into short hair. Dhvastamurthajaha means so Kharva Murthajaha is I think Tilakakara. So Kharva Kesha is Tilakakara's interpretation. That is, his hair was cut down into short. He became short haired. Dhvastamurthajaha. Chityamalyangaragascha. Chityamalyangaragascha is one pata. Chityamalyanu is another pata. Both mean the same thing. So Chitya. So I am reading out from, let's say we'll read from Shiromani itself, easily updated. Chityamalyanu lepaha or Chityamalyangaraga mean the same thing. So Chitihi Shmashanam. Tatra bhavam chit. So that which is born in Smashana is called Chitya. Chiti means Smashanam. Chitya means that which is born in Smashanam. So what is born in Smashanam? Bhasmam, ash, So Tena Kritaha Malyanu Lepaha. Pushpakaranu Lepaha. So Chitya Malyanu Lepaha means that Bhasma is his floral decoration. So Anulepa is smearing his body. So you smear your body with flowers, or when you say Chityamalya Angaraga. So when you're saying Angaraga, it is all those perfumes with which you besmear your body. So his besmearing, generally people besmear with flowers and decorate themselves with flowers. This person is decorating himself with that which is born in Smashana, that is ash. So Chityamalya means flower. So Chityamalya Angaraga. Malyangaraga generally people do Angaraga, that is they besmear their skin with flowers, that is those floral scents, etc. But then for him what is the floral scent for him? It is Chitya Bhasma only. So Chitya Malyanga Ragascha Ayasa Bharano Bhavat. Ayasa means, so Ayasa Bharana means iron abharana. People generally wear golden ornaments. He is now, this Chandala is wearing iron, so ornaments made out of iron. Ayasa Bharano Bhavat. So he became like that. He became Nilavastradharaha, Nilaha, so Chitya Malyanga Ragaha, etc. तम दृष्ट्वा मंत्रिणः सर्वे त्यज्य चंडालरूपिणं प्रद्रवन् सहिता रामपौरा ये स्यानुगामिनः हे राम तं दृष्ट्वा, having seen that ghora form of that Trishanku who has now turned into Chandala, सर्वे मंत्रिणः, so Chandala Rupinam दृष्ट्वा, having seen his Chandala Rupa, so सर्वे मंत्रिणः, all his ministers, त्यज्य pradravan, so they abandon him and run far away. So त्यज्य Pradravan means they so ran far. Pradravan. So not just them, Paura Sahita. So ye Pauraha, ye Asya Anugaminaha Pauraha Sahita. So along with those citizens also, so along with this Trishanku, some citizens also came with him perhaps. So ye Asya Anugaminaha, those who followed him. So those Pauras also, along with these mantris, they also ran away on seeing this form of Trishanku. एको हि राजा काकुत्स्थ जगाम परमात्मवान् दह्यमानो दिवारात्रं विश्वामित्रं तपोधनम्. So एको हि raja, this raja now became only one. So everybody left him. He is now alone, that single raja. So एको हि राजा काकुत्स्थ, हे काकुत्स्थ, हे Rama, jagama paramatmavan. Paramatmavan here is again paramayatnavan. So he also decided somehow I will get some help. So that's why paramatmavan jagama, he went away. Where did he go? So dahyamanaha divaratam dahyamanaha raja jagama, that he night and day he was burning. Divaratraha means day and night. So day and night dahyamanaha, he was burning with that, you know, with his desire to go to Swarga, and then with his parabhavam, etc., with the insult that he has faced in the hands of Vasishtha and Guru Putras, etc. He is Dahyamanaha, and then Vishwamitram Tapodhanam Jagama. He went to that place where this Tapodhana Vishwamitra was. Vishwamitra was at the same time performing tapas. This is parallel, two parallel stories. Now they have joined here. विश्वामित्रस्तु तं दृष्ट्वा राजानं विफलीकृतं चण्डालरूपिणं राममुनिः कारुण्यमागतः हे राम. Vishwamitrastu tam drishtva, tam rajanam drishtva, Vishwamitraha tu. So tu here means on the other hand. So Vasishtha and Vasishtha's children may have got angry on this Trishanku, but tu on the other hand, but this Vishwamitra, so Karunyamagataha, Vishwamitra took some pity on this Trishanku. Why? Because he is Viphalikritam Rajanam. So he is a Raja who is Viphalikrita. Viphalikrita is, so he has been doomed. Ityartha. So Viphalikrita, actually he wanted to go to Swarga. Neither did he get that Swarga. Now he has lost his kingdom also because of that Chandalatam. Therefore he is Viphalikritaha. That is, he has been doomed. But Viphalikritam Rajanam Drishtva, Chandala Rupinam Rajanam Drishtva, Munihi Karunyamagataha. That Muni Vishwamitra. So he was overpowered by Karunyam. कारुण्यात्स महातेजा वाक्यं परमधार्मिकः इदं जगाद भद्रन्ते राजानं घोरदर्शनं कारुण्यात् सह विश्वामित्रः महातेजा विश्वामित्रः out of his compassion कारुण्यात् परमधार्मिकः विश्वामित्रः idam vakyam jagada. So he spoke the following word. What did he say? To whom? Rajanam Ghoradarshanam. To that Raja who's looking very brutal now. So to that Raja, what did he say? Bhadram te, may good happen to you. Kimagamana karyante Rajaputra Mahabala Ayodhyadhipate Veera Shapat Chandalatangataha. So Kimagamana karyante, he Rajaputra, he Mahabala, he Ayodhyadhipate, he Veera, all these are sambodhanams to that Trishanku. He Rajaputra, he Mahabala, he Ayodhyadhipate, he Veera, so he Trishanko. So Kim Agamana Karyamte, what is the purpose for your coming here? Shapat Chandalatangataha. I can see that you are Ayodhyadhipati Trishanku. I am able to recognize you, but it looks like because of some Shapa, you have been turned into a Chandala. So indirectly he is asking what is the reason for that Shapa also. Atha tadvakyam akarnya raja Chandalatangataha abravit pranjalir vakyam vakyagno vakyakovidam. Atha tadvakyam akarnya, having heard those words. Akarnya means heard. Vakyam akarnya, having heard those sentences or words spoken by Vishwamitra, that Raja Chandalatangataha. So Chandalatangataha Raja, that Raja who was turned into a Chandala, abravit pranjalihi. So vakyagnaha. Vakyajnaha Raja, that Raja who knew how to speak, that Raja, he spoke, Abravit. How did he speak? Pranjalihi. He was very, so with great humility, he did Namaskara, and then Vakyam Abravit. He spoke the following words. To whom? Vakya Kovidam. To that Vishwamitra, he spoke the following words. Vishwamitra, who was also expert in speaking appropriately. प्रत्याख्यातोऽस्मि गुरुणा गुरुपुत्रैस्तथैव च अनवाप्यैव तं कामं मया प्राप्तो विपर्ययः. So pratyakhyatosmi guruna. So hey Vishwamitra, so by my guru I have been discouraged. Guru putrais tathaiva cha. Even by my guru putras I have been discouraged. Anavapyaiva tam kamam maya prapto viparyayah. So I had a desire in my mind, and anavapya tam kamam anavapya. So I could not realize that desire, I could not attain that desire. And on the other hand, maya viparyaha prapta, in fact the opposite happened to me. I wanted to go to Swarga with this body, but this body now turned into a Chandala. So the opposite has happened. I have lost even, so I have lost my Aihika and Amushmika Artha. So I have lost my my kingdom, etc. in this world, and then I have lost my capability to go to Swarga also. Why? Because with this Chandala Deha I cannot do yaga, etc. If I could do the yaga, I can go to Swargam, but now I cannot do the yaga anymore. So viparyayaha maya praptaha. Viparyaya means the opposite. I have obtained the opposite now. सशरीरो दिवं यायामिति मे सौम्य दर्शन मया चेष्टं क्रतुशतं तच्च नावाप्यते फलम. So what was your desire? Vishwamitra is asking perhaps. So he is telling sashariraha divam yayami. So yayami, so yayam, so swashariraha divam yayam iti me. So kamam, so my desire was, hey Saumya Darshana, hey Vishwamitra, who's very pleasing to see. Sashariraha divam yayam, I wanted to go with this sharira itself. I wanted to go to Swarga, and then because so I didn't say I want to go just like that. I wanted to perform the yaga also. Maya kratushatam cha ishtam. My desire was to perform that kratushatam. That is maybe that yaga involved 100 tasks or something like that. So that kratushatam maya ishtam, I wanted to perform that yaga. Tacha navapyate phalam. That phalam I did not get. That is my so the phalam for his desire was, so it is very technical, I mean in technical language, the phalam for his desire was the Swarga, and the phalam for that Swarga karma will be to go to the phalam for that karma will be to go to Swarga. So the phalam for his desire he could not obtain. Tacha navapyate phalam. That phalam for my karma I could not obtain. Anrutam nokta purvam me nacha vakshye kadachana Krichireshwapi gatah saumya kshatra dharmena te shape. So now he is telling, I am a Satyavadi. Anrutam nokta purvam me. I have never ever spoken an untruth. Hey Vishwamitra, you have to trust me. You might think I am speaking some lies. Maybe I did something wrong towards my guru and that's why he cursed me. That's not true. Anrutam nokta purvam me. I have never ever uttered a lie before. Purvam anrutam nokta purvam me. So maya anrutam nokta purvam. So earlier, ever before in the past, I have never spoken an untruth. Nacha vakshye kadachana. Even in the future, I am not going to speak. Nacha vakshye. When krichreshwapi gataha nacha vakshye. Even if I go to a very sorry state, krichravastha is a very destitute state. Even if I go to such a state, so anrutam nacha vakshya, I will never speak an untruth even if I go to a very despicable state. So krichreshwapi gataha, so anrutam nacha vakshye. Hey Saumya, kshatra dharmena te shape. So I swear on you. Te shape means in front of you I swear, and then I swear on my kshatra dharma. Kshatra dharmena te shape. So the kshatra dharmena, you can take it both ways. Some people are saying because I'm a kshatriya, I will never speak an untruth. He's telling that way. And then on my kshatriya dharma, I shape. Shape means I swear. So kshatriya dharmena te shape. Te shape here. So some people are saying te shape means I swear on you, or te shape means in front of you I swear on my kshatriya dharma. Kshatriya dharmena te shape. Yajnair bahuvidhair ishtam praja dharmena palitaha. Guravascha mahatmanaha shila vrittena toshitaha. So in the past I have done many yajnas also. Yajnaihi bahuvidhaihi ishtam. So in the past I have performed many yajnas. Praja dharmena palitaha. So my citizens have been well governed by me, by dharma. So very dharmically I have ruled over my citizens also. Prajaha dharmena palitaha. Guravascha mahatmanaha shila vrittena toshitaha. So all Mahatmas, gurus, I have toshitaha means I have served them and pleased them. How? Shila vrittena. Shila vrittena means Shilam means sadgunaha, vrittam means achara. So with my achara conduct vrittam, which was filled with sadguna. That is with my very good conduct I have pleased all my gurus and Mahatmas, Guravascha Mahatmanaha, or my Mahatma gurus, Shila vrittena toshitaha. I have very well pleased them also. Dharme prayatamanasya धर्मे प्रयतमानस्य यज्ञं चाहर्तुमिच्छतः परितोषं न गच्छन्ति गुरवो मुनिपुंगव. So dharme prayatamanasya, so I am somebody who is who's making efforts in dharma. Dharme prayatamanasya yajnam chahartumiच्छतः, I am somebody who is making efforts to live dharmically, and then yajnam cha ahartumiच्छतः, so I am somebody whose desire means so ichchataha again is like that dharme prayatamanasya. So by me who is ever intent on performing dharma, and by me who's wanting to do a yajna, these gurus are not getting preeti, that these gurus are not happy by my acts, even though I am doing yajna, and even though my desire was very dharmic one, I wanted to perform a yajna, I have been living in accordance with dharma. So paritosham nagachanti guravo munipungava. Hey munipungava Vishwamitra, so guravaha paritosham nagachanti, my gurus are not being pleased by me, even though dharme prayatamanasya api, even though I am performing dharma, and even though yajnam chahartum ichchataha api, I am somebody who is wanting to just perform yajna, I am not asking to perform something adharmic also, but still my gurus are not very happy with me. Daivameva param manye paurusham tu nirarthakam. Daivenaakramyate sarvam daivam hi paramagatihi. So there are some debates in Ramayana actually. What is, so these debates we also get, these kind of questions we also get. So we will see that reflection in Ramayana. Ultimately Sita Devi will give the verdict to this debate. So here Trishanku is telling Daivam eva param manye. Daivam means adrishtam, luck factor we say, So that param manye, it's not exactly luck, it means prarabdham actually. So daivam eva param manye, I consider prarabdham alone to be the greatest. Daivam eva param manye paurusham tu nirarthakam. So all our self efforts are nirarthakam, they are futile. So daivam eva param manye paurusham tu nirarthakam, all efforts, human efforts are futile. Why? Daivena akramyate sarvam. So daivena means prarabdhena, by the adrishta factor everything is akramyate, everything is encompassed by that adrishta factor or prarabdha factor. Or akramyate means also everything is everything is beaten by that, that is this daiva or prarabdha overpowers everything, so it takes over, so overtakes everything, something like that. So daivena akramyate sarvam daivam hi paramagatihi. So prarabdham alone is ultimately something that I have to take refuge in. Tasya me paramartasya prasadam abhikankshataha kartumarhasi bhadram te daivopahata karmanaha. Tasya me paramartasya means parama dukkhitasya. So to me who's so sorrowful, prasadam abhikankshataha, so to me who is seeking your prasada, so you are seeking your grace, prasadam abhikankshataha, so bhadram te, may good happen to you, daivopahata karmanaha kartum arhasi. Very interestingly, so I am seeking your prasada, this is a quiz question to you. So I am seeking your, so Trishanku is telling I am seeking your prasada, therefore you should do to my karma. So what you should do, if I am seeking prasada from you, you should do prasada to me. That is, if I am seeking your grace, you should bestow your grace. So bestow your grace. So te kartumarhasi means you bestow your grace. So you should bestow, that's the idea. Kartumarhasi means you should definitely do. What you should do, bestow your grace. And how did that come from? Because he already said I am seeking your grace. Prasadam abhikankshataha. So kartumarhasi, you should bestow your grace upon me. Upon me means what should I do? Daivopahata karmanaha kartumarhasi. So you bestow your grace upon me, so that, or rather upon that karma. Daivopahata karma means that karma which I wanted to do, but by daivam, by prarabdham, that karma has now been completely washed away from me. Now I am a chandala, I cannot perform that karma anymore. Therefore it is daivopahata karma. So daivopahata karmanaha kartumarhasi. You should bestow your grace upon me who has lost his whose karma samarthyam, who has lost his karma samarthyam because of daiva, that is because of prarabdha, that is because of Vasishtha's curse, Vasishtha putra's curse. नान्यां गतिं गमिष्यामि नान्यत् शरणमस्ति मे दैवं पुरुषकारेण निवर्तयितुमर्हसि नान्यां गतिं गमिष्यामि. So I will not go anywhere now. I'm already tired. I have been walking with this body for so long. I have walked, so I'm not going to go anywhere. You are my ultimate refuge. Nanyat charanamasti me. So I don't even have somebody. Even if I want to go somewhere else, there is nobody else who can help me. Nanyat charanamasti. So there is no other sharanyam for me. There is no other sharanam for me. Therefore, I'm not going to go anywhere also, or I'm not going to go anywhere because I don't have any other refuge to take to. Therefore, you are my help. So you sharanamasti. So nanyat sharanamasti. That is, nobody else is there to help me. Therefore, what should you do? Daivam purushakarena nivartayitum arhasi. You should bless me so that by your purushakara, my daivam, my prarabdha is undone. So daivam purushakarena. Here purushakara is no more Trishanku's purushakara because he is a Chandala and he does not have the capability to do the yaga. So Purushakarena, we'll see what happens in the next story. So by your Purushakara, my Daivam Nivartayitum Arhasi. Nivartayitum means you should undo my Daiva, that is my Prarabdha. By your grace, you should undo the Prarabdha that has befallen upon me. So what is important? Prarabdha or self-effort, so that debate goes on. Debate means here and there that question comes and then Sita Devi will settle in Sundarakanda. Long time to go. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 58 सर्गः. So we have finished 58 sarga. ओम यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम तत्सत्. श्री रामार्पणमस्तु. We will meet again tomorrow. I have something to say. After that